Hey guys, this is Shirish and you are on Bonsai and Gardening Zone. And today's video is about how to grow bitter gourd or Karela in containers and get dozens of gourds from single vine. Also tried and tested care tips to grow this amazing vegetable with updates from seedling to harvest from day 1 to day 70. All that is coming up. Guys, if you live in apartment with a limited space and your garden is in containers and pots, then also you can grow bitter gourd or Karela at your home in balcony or terrace. So watch this entire video and you will be surprised to know that how easy you can grow it. Bitter gourd, popularly known as Karela, isn't all that bitter as it tastes. It is a super vegetable rich in calcium and vitamin C. The health benefits of bitter gourd are numerous. From weight loss to preventing diabetic complications, this super veggie fights an array of diseases caused by irregular blood sugar levels. In good soil, full sun, and right climatic conditions, Karela grows real fast with minimum maintenance. Place the container where it gets maximum sunlight. Bitter gourd or bitter melon grows best in US zone 4 through 11. It can be grown throughout the year provided it is not exposed to extreme cold conditions. The best season to grow bitter gourd are between April to May and July to October. Guys, I'm growing these Karela seeds. This is a hybrid variety. Before seeding, I am soaking these seeds into the water to ensure fast germination as the shell of these seeds are very hard. You can sow seeds either directly in the pot or use seedling tray like this. To make seedling mix, take coco peat 60%, vermicompost 30%, perlite or sand 10%. Sow the seeds not more than ½ inch deep. Cover with a thin layer of mix and keep it in shade. Guys, as you can see, on day 5, almost 100% seeds has been germinated. It is important to keep these seedlings moist all the time. After 10 days, seedlings has developed 3 to 4 true leaves and now it is ready to be transferred in container. Guys, to grow any gourd vine, you need big sized containers as its root spreads a lot. I am growing these seeds in this 14-inch long, 21-inch wide and 15-inch deep container in my terrace garden. To grow more than one seeds, keep a distance of at least 10 inches. Guys, bitter gourd can thrive in any well-drained soil, but when growing in pot, it requires rich soil with micronutrients. To make best spotting mix to grow Karela, you need garden soil 60%, vermicompost or cow dung compost 20%, sand 20%. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal and 1 fistful of neem cake powder, which is an organic fungicide. Guys, it's been 20 days since seeding. As you can see, many suckers has developed from bottom part. Now I'm cutting these suckers and side shoots so that plant can focus on vertical growth. As the plant grows, they require the support of trellis to creep higher. I made this bamboo trellis and a net with coco coir rope for climbing support. Today it's been a month. The leader of vine has climbed to the top of this canopy net. Guys, now I'm performing a 3G cutting trick by pinching the growing tip of the leader. This will encourage plant to produce secondary side shoots. Once these side shoots developed 5 to 6 leaves, pinch its tip again to produce third generation fruiting shoots, which will produce mostly female flowers. Guys, after 40 days, this vine is full of flowers and some small fruits. There are male and female flowers. It's easy to identify female flowers by the tiny fruit behind each bloom. Now guys, this is the result after 70 days. Vines are now full of fresh and spiny green Karelas. Generally, when you grow bitter gourd in pot, you don't get a lot of fruits. But as you can see, each of my vine is full of fruits of all sizes. The three reasons behind this is right weather condition, 3G cutting method, and these pollinator friends of mine. They goes from one flower to another and help in pollination between male and female flowers. I never use any chemical pesticide on fruits and vegetable plants. And finally guys, it's harvesting time. Bitter gourd should be harvested when still immature, tender and green. If you harvest too late, it will start turning yellow. Also the seeds will be hardened. During fruiting period, I pick Karela in every 5 to 6 days and this encourages more fruits. Bitter gourd is a fast growing vine and also heavy feeders. Feed plants every 2 weeks with well-rotten cow dung compost or vermicompost. 2 fistful per square feet is sufficient enough. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal every month. No synthetic fertilizer required. Never lose the upper layer of the soil as the feeder gourds rose just below the surface and it may damage. Bitter gourds need continuous watering all through their life cycle. Water is vital for their growth and survival. Inadequate moisture can delay flowering and result in stunted gourds. Guys, pests are very rare in bitter gourd plant, but if you spot any pests, spray any organic pesticide like this neem oil 5 ml per liter of water and spray after every 15 days. Guys, one of the biggest threat to bitter gourd plant is fruit fly. Last year, my bitter gourd were attacked by fruit fly. It lay its eggs into the skin of soft bitter gourd and soon the larvae tunnel into the fruit, making it inedible. To avoid fruit fly damage, I covered tiny fruits with transparent polybag with small holes in it. So guys, just follow these easy and simple steps and you can also grow your own organic Karela in your garden. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video in comment section. Consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching and keep on gardening.